If you're looking for a turnkey real estate opportunity here in the Pacific Northwest that has proven results and one that you can be proud of, then this message is for you. Flanders condominium is a fully stabilized, contemporary, 4-unit condominium project centrally located in the thriving and dynamic North Tabor neighborhood, just east of Portland, and was completed in 2020. The neighborhood is a perfect mix urban setting with a community connection. Offering highly desirable floor plans, premium fixtures, and high-end appliances, the project has established itself quickly as an upscale community. This is evidenced by its top-of-the-market rents, nearly instantaneous lease-ups, and growing waiting list of tenants. The Flanders condominium is a fantastic opportunity at $1.5 million, and I'm sure it won't last long. What you're going to see next is how you can contact me.